We all know Outlook is great for scheduling recurring appointments and meetings. But what if you need to send a recurring email? Unfortunately, Outlook doesn't have a built-in feature for that. Don't worry, because Katools for Outlook has the perfect solution. First things first, if you don't have Katools for Outlook installed yet, head over to their website, download, and install it. It's quick and easy. Once you've installed Katools for Outlook, click the Katools tab, and then click Recurring Email. The View and Manage Auto Recurring Send window will pop up if you are the first time use. Click New to create a new recurring email. Composing the email as usual. Click Recurrence. Set the recurrence as you need. You can set the time, the recurrence pattern, and the range of recurrence. Click OK. Then click Save and Close. Click the Close button, and a dialog reminds you to enable the recurring feature. Click Yes. A recurring email is created. Subscribe for daily office tips.